Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to start on the data types in Python. Most of the computer programming languages support data types, variables, operators, expressions like fundamental. Python also support these data types. We have the several data types. What is a data type? Means which type of data you are doing in Python programs. We are using in Python programs which type of value in variable can store. Type function is used to determine a variable's type in Python. Data types in Python we have number, string, boolean, list, tuple, set and dictionaries. We will discuss each and every data types. Number in Python to use to store numeric values. ये आपका numeric values के लिए यूज होता है. Python has the three numeric types: integers, floating point numbers and complex numbers. Integers are the whole numbers. It may be positive or negative. Numbers with no decimal points. Integers in Python are unlimited size. A is equal to 100, B is equal to minus 100, C is equal to 1 into 20. Print ABC. The output is 100, minus 100 and 200. Type conversion of integers. Int function converts any data type to integers. For examples, A is equal to double quotes 101. Anything enclosed in double quotes, that is called the string constant. Okay, so we need to convert from string to integer. Then we will have to write the int A convert string data type to integers. So students, another example, C is equal to int 122.4 converts float to data type to integers. So we can change the string to integers, float to integers, and any type existing data type to new data types. Okay, print B, print C, run codes 101 and 122. Floating point numbers, it is a positive or negative real numbers with decimal point. Suppose A is equal to 101.2 minus 101.4. Such type of this. Print A, B, C, D, then code. This type of output we will get. Okay. Type conversion, floating point numbers. Float can be converted into data types, just like integers. If we have the string data types, then we want to convert this float A. Float is a functions which convert any existing type into floating type, decimal type. Okay. Here 301.4, it is a floating type, but before, if we do not convert this, then it will treated as the string because it is enclosed in single quotes. Float 121, this is a decimal, but it converts to the float 1221.0. Okay, is it clear? Complex numbers are the combination of a real and imaginary part. Complex numbers are in the form of x plus yj, where x is the real part and y is the imaginary part. Okay, A is equal to complex 5, convert 5 to real part, well, and 0 imaginary part. Print A, then 5 plus 0j. Complex 101, 23, so 101 is the integer parts and 23 is the imaginary parts, real part and imaginary parts. Okay. Data types continue. String in Python. A string is a sequence of characters. In Python, we can create a string using the single quotes or double quotes. Both are the same type. If we have the str is a variable in which we store the computer science string, if we can do such queries just like print str, okay, and str print string, then it will this is the message print str and str की वैल्यू आपकी कंप्यूटर साइंस भी प्रिंट हो जाएगी. नाउ प्रिंट str 0 पोजीशन पे क्या रखा C, तो यहाँ पे C प्रिंट हो जाएगा. ऐसे str 1 3 0 1 1 पोजीशन से 3 कैरेक्टर्स 1 2 3 OMP. ओके, sorry, 1 2 3 means this will print the and minus 1. Print string from 0 to 3. Okay, 1 to 3 ELL, that means 0 1 O M 1 2 and minus 1, and string 3 prints string starting from third character to hello world. Hello. Oh, this is the mistake. Yes, 3 is the computer science. 0, 1, 2, 3. Computer science. Okay. And this is the ohm. And str into 2. This will print the multiple times. String 2 times. str2. str plus yes concatenated. It will concatenate it. This is the message and this is the value of str computer science alias. Okay, I hope that all of you will be understand this concept. This is very important question. Iterating through string str computer science for I in str print I. First value I will be 0 and it will be find the length. Okay, COMPSC. Such type of output you will get. Data type boolean data types. This is used for true and false values. str dot is upper. Test if string contain uppercase, print false. List in Python and tuple in Pythons. List are the collection of items. Each item has its own index values. Tuples, list and tuples both are the same except a list is immutable and Python objects and tuple is an immutable Python object. Immutable Python objects means you cannot modify the content of the tuples once it is assigned. Example, here we can use the list 6, 9, list 0, 55, then print list, then the 55 will be replaced to 6 and 9 is as it is. Tuple 66, 69, tuple 0 equal to 3, error message will be because tuple is a immutable types. Okay students, set is an ordered collection of unique and immutable which cannot be modified items. Set dictionary. Okay students, अभी आप इतने रखिए. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.